Previously in our trading challenge journey,
I'm going to make from $500 $100,000. I'm going to do this with a challenge, and I want to do this together with you.
The first trade is completed.
So after some time, the trade was closed and we lost this one. Oh my god. Tomorrow we are back with a $500 trade and try again to get to $100,000. Day 3 of making from $500 $100,000. We completed already 2 days of this challenge. And what is the challenge exactly? So we're starting with $500 and we're putting it on the line. If we make a double up, we cash out. If we lose 50%, then we will close the trade with a stop loss. So the first trade was a success. We doubled it up to $1,000 and now we are back to $500. Oh my god, we lost the last one. But this is not all, guys. We're gonna put another $500 on the line to double it up to $1,000. So what we do is we go to the chart of Bitcoin. We're gonna zoom out at 5 minutes or 15 minutes. And what I'm doing here is I'm taking a screenshot. Of the chart and putting it inside Chat GPT. We asked Chat GPT for making a prompt off for us and saying like, hey, are we going long or are we going short at this moment? And exactly what I thought already, he is saying to us, go long. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. 100x leverage. And as you see, we have still $500 on the account, 100x leverage. I think we should just start straight away. $500. So 500 is $50,000. Putting it long right now, confirm. And we are long right now on our Bitcoin trade. Based on what ChatGPT is telling us, guys, we are not making a trade. We're making $100,000 with this challenge with only ChatGPT. Let's see how it goes. We are in a loss of $40. And yeah, what will happen? I don't know. Like, it's just a fun challenge, right? So if you want to do the same challenge with yourself, like doubling up, because if you look at the double ups, you only need 8 winning trades to create $100,000. But of course, if you do 8 trades in one time and you lose one of them, it's a very high chance you lose one of them. So that is the reason I'm doing it with a maximum loss of 50% and with a stop loss there, because it gives us more lives. And maybe we are more lucky in our life that we potentially can double it up more often than we're losing 50%. But yeah, let's see how it goes. If you want to do the same challenge, you can do it on Bluefin. And inside the description, there is a link with some bonus codes. If you deposit on Bluefin, there will be several bonuses depending on your deposit amount. Check it out, guys, if you want to try it. And I think let's wait for the trade to finish. I will keep you up to date, guys, but for now, $150 in the loss. We're going very hard down. But maybe there is a bounce back very soon. Let's see how it goes.
A few moments later.
In the beginning of trade 3, we did quite well. But after all, we lost it. And what happens was ChatGPT gave us a good signal that the market will recover and going higher, which hit or take profit if our stop loss didn't touch. So we can see the exit price was at 82,700 around here because of the 100x leverage, but the take profit was around here out of my head. But yeah, we had to do a stop loss because otherwise our whole account was lost if we lose. But yeah, let's look forward to the next trade of trade 4, which is not 500 anymore, but now $250. And we are still on track, guys. We are still on track to reach $100,000, right? So see you in the next video. Like and subscribe if you want to see the result of trade 4, and I see you. Bye bye.